Alright folks, welcome back. I'm Tom, your construction loan guide on the One Time Close Land and Home Construction Loans podcast, and I'm thrilled to sit down with Sarah. She just wrapped up her first renovation using an FHA 203k loan. Sarah, thanks for jumping on.
Happy to be here, Tom. I'm still grinning every time I walk into the house.
Let's rewind. Before we met, what were the biggest worries rattling around in your head?
Oh, the usual terror cocktail. Budget blow-ups, surprise cash grabs, and timelines that drag on forever. I kept hearing horror stories about lenders demanding a 10% contingency fee on top of the down payment. Who has that lying around?
Exactly. That's the classic bait and switch. Low down payment advertised, then wham, bring extra cash or the deal stalls. Our FHA 203k and HomeStyle programs bake the contingency right into the loan. No extra suitcase of money required.
That single detail sold me. Once I saw the builder's scope already included a 15% safety net, I could finally sleep at night.
And locking the rate at closing, how did that feel?
Like winning the lottery before even scratching the ticket. Rates were creeping up daily, but I locked mine the day we closed. My payment is locked in, and I haven't picked up a hammer yet.
Let's talk numbers. You started at $200,000, right?
Yep. The purchase plus rehab came in under the FHA limit, so I only put down 3.5%. The remodel budget covered a brand new kitchen, roof, and my favorite part, an ADU over the garage for rental income.
Walk us through the draw process, smooth or bumpy?
Silky smooth. Funds sat in escrow. After each phase, demo, rough-in, finishes, we scheduled an inspection. Inspector signed off, you guys released the draw, contractor got paid. No chasing checks, no drama.
You mentioned the ADU. How did permitting and zoning play out?
City Hall was actually easier than I expected. The HUD consultant pre-reviewed the plans, flagged one setback issue early, and we fixed it before breaking ground. Saved weeks.
Pro tip right there, early HUD consultant review. Now let's hit the emotional side. You closed in February, moved in May, and your first tenant moved into the ADU in June. What's the vibe?
Pure joy. I'm sipping coffee on my new quartz island while rent from the ADU covers half my mortgage. My neighbors thought renovating meant chaos. Instead, it felt like watching HGTV in real time, on schedule and on budget.
Any curveballs?
Only good ones. The contingency reserve paid for a surprise electrical panel upgrade, never touched my wallet.
Listeners, if you're on the fence, remember, these loans work for first-time buyers, move-up families, or downsizers who want their forever home now, not someday. And starting at $200,000, you don't need a palace budget to qualify.
I'll add, get your contractor's license insurance and detailed bids ready. The more organized we were, the faster underwriting flew.
Great advice. Sarah, any last words for folks still scrolling renovation hashtags?
Stop scrolling, start dialing, call 888-857-8041. Tom's team walked me through every step. No jargon, no pressure.
And if you're a builder listening, partner with us. Our draw schedule keeps your crew busy and your cash flow steady. Call 888-857-8041 today.
Seriously, don't wait. Rates won't hold forever, and neither will that perfect fixer-upper.
Absolutely. For anyone ready to transform a house into their home, call 888-857-8041. We'll map out your exact timeline, budget, and next steps. Free, no obligation.
Thanks for having me, Tom. I'm proof it works.
And thank you, listeners. For more helpful videos on how we can help you achieve your dream home, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions below in the comments section. Don't forget to call us at 888-857-8041.